Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I've got a large donation from Germany. To be specific, I don't got it for free, but it was rather cheap. I've paid for the pallet shipping and I've paid for the items, but it was not the full price that you usually pay. Reason is the guy who sent me this is a fan of this YouTube channel, and of course this is a big help. If you want to help me, put the thumbs up or help me on Patreon, or simply leave comments, some positive things or whatsoever. So let's go straight to the pallet right now. Yeah, here is the pallet as it arrived from Germany. I somehow managed to get in, even with a cutter which is at the end of its lifetime. The pallet was packed wonderful. The guy who sent me this is professional and he knew what he did. The thing was so hot, you can't believe it. It was standing in the sun for a few hours, and I really didn't know how to carry it. I've got myself some gloves, and then this, by the way, is a real-time analyzer module with frequencies from 3 Hz up to 40 Hz. This is an S-parameter test set up to 2 GHz. Very nice unit. I can't wait to have a look inside. And this is a network analyzer plug-in with a phase and magnitude display. Very interesting and wow device. Stunning. This again is a polar display with auxiliary display holder plug-in. And here's a signal sweep oscillator. This is HB standard, you see them very often. Rode und Schwarz URI. This is a very early Röhrenvoltmeter, tube voltmeter. Here are 3 VHF transmitter by Collins. Yeah, if you want to see a unit from inside, please let me know in the comments. Yeah, another display, a polar display, and a relay matrix switch thingy. Very interesting. And it is beautifully made. Look at the connectors. Crazy. And I got them into my store. Here are 2 counters by HB. Both are with Nixie tubes and they are kinda old. The unit on top is even older. And we will have a look inside soon, I hope. There are 3 identical old British dB meter. Wonderful for audio and studio. I haven't checked them right now, but I can't wait to have a look inside. Here's a labeled measuring amplifier. We already took photos from inside. And here's another one. So this is a pair. Maybe I can use them for audio or sell them. And now have a look at this. This is a Tektronix CSA 8000. It is a type of oscilloscope, and it is capable of 40 gigahertz. That's what I was said. But there's only one input working, and the rest is faulty from the informations that I got. Here's something very exciting, a general radio RF network analyzer. This is a really old unit with Genrad connectors, and I can't wait to have a look inside. Another exciting thing, an HB digital voltage source with beautiful PCBs. This is, yeah, art. And I will do a video about this unit soon. Another Rostig und Schwer, Rode und Schwarz RC generator. It is a tube thing. Yeah, and that's pretty much about this pallet. Yeah, thank you so much for your support on Patreon. Please continue your support. I would be very happy to see you again soon. Bye.